Veganaise with Ash's Treasure. It's Saturday, and we're out, well, my son was out grilling, but the other way, not this way, out that way is the grill. And this is what's for supper tonight. He grilled some steaks, and some corn, and I made homemade potato salad. Oh, yes, peppers and bacon and celery and our vegan mayonnaise. Oops, stepped on the broom. Which is this one right here. So, the Follow Your Heart. That is not a paid advertisement. That's just what we use and it's what we like. So, that is what we're doing today. We've had a kind of relaxing day. We went shopping earlier. I'm trying to, not grocery shop every week, doing that every other week thing, but they had some sales on chicken at Myers, and we picked some of that up, and a few things here and there. So, but yeah, we say so. My attempt at pineapple upside down cake, I forgot we didn't have the rings, we had the chunks, and I forgot to get some more cherries today. But me forgot to put parchment paper down. So, that's my pineapple upside down cake. Still stuck in the pan. But next time, I'll know better. I will remember to put the parchment down. And we bought rings this time. We'll get cherries next time. And I'll make another one. But I hope everybody's having a good afternoon, a good evening, Saturday evening. And enjoying time, family time. And if you haven't, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and ring that bell for notifications. I am still trying to figure out how to look at this camera phone and not look like I'm looking off in the world. But with that, I hope everybody is having a good day and a great weekend. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Have a wonderful day.